so today is day 4. So I actually tried part 1 yesterday, so I was trying to like get on a leaderboard, but apparently I finished it. Okay, let me show you. I finished around. What's my stats? Actually, wait, where can I check it? Stats. Okay, I think I did it in like 6 minutes or something. Where's my stats? Not this leaderboard. Personal times. Yeah, I did this in 6 minutes and 23 seconds, but like look at the board, that's crazy. Like if we look at yesterday, bro, those people, I think is it top 100? Oh no, it's both star. But hundreds to get a first star. Okay, bro, this guy took 43 seconds to get a first star. How is that possible? And top 100 is like within 3 minutes. That's crazy. But anyways, so I haven't finished. I haven't done part 2 yet, so I will do that right now. So let's go back to. I'll just do part 2 live. Let's see. So yeah, part 1 is done. Got it. So let's see. Just as you blah blah blah. There's no such thing as points. Instead, scratch card only causes you to win more scratch card. Aha. So especially you win copies of scratch card below the winning card equals the number of the matches. If the card 10. Okay. So if I win, if I have 5 matching, if card 10 were to have 5 matching. Okay. Okay, I have same card number. Wait, okay. I actually did not quite get it. Wait, copy has 4 matching numbers, so you win 1 copy of each next 4 card. Oh, okay, 1 copies. I see. What do you want to return? Oh, so I want to the total amount of scratch cards. So, wait. Because, okay, card 1 wins me card 2, 3, 4, 5, or says 2 matching numbers. Okay, what's the 2 matching numbers? I guess that's 32 and 61. Okay. So basically it keeps. Okay, I see. So if card 1 wins another copy of card 2, then you have 2 copies of card 2. And then you want to just count how many times you win, including the 2. Okay. Right, I see. I see. Okay, let's see how easy it is to modify what I wrote for part 1. I'll just yank the same thing. I'll make it larger so it's easier to see. Let's see how easy it is to just yank part 1 and do part 2. Oh yeah, but I'll probably start doing it in like some other language starting like day 6. Because I have assignment due tomorrow, so I would start at day 6 just to like learn another language. I think that's probably like a better idea than just coding in Python. But let's see. So now we want to count the total number of scratch card that I'm winning. So the setup is pretty much the same. So for line, I do a split. Okay, guess, win, stripped, split. Okay. So I want to check for item in guess. If item is in win. Okay. Okay, and how wait castle wins. Okay. So I'll put this as like the game. So this is a game number, right? So actually now I need this information. Now I need a Yeah, I just need a hash map to track how many. Okay, so wait. So tracking first from collections, import the, yeah, exactly. And tracking, there'll be a default dictionary. I think we should start at one because we have, you always has one copy of the card, right? So is that a syntax? I think it is. All right. So in this case, and obviously tracking will have, I just try to type annotation, so it's integer, right? Default, whoops. DICT, cool. So in this case, what we do is for every time there's a winning, obviously we gotta do, because for okay, every time it wins, it will win another copy of the next card. So actually, what I do instead game num, okay, number of copies. So okay, get like num copies. This should be, we should get that from, yeah, exactly. Now we know the number of copies, and then we have to, every time we add it to the total, we have to make sure to add it. So in that case, winning count, right? So because I want to count how many times it wins for this one single pass, and then multiply by the amount of copies. So I guess the total setup would be like something like total plus equals times equals 9 copies. No, winning count. Oh no, sorry. So it's a winning count. Count times number of copies. All right. Yep, that should be the overall setup. For items in guess, if item is a win, yeah. Oh, I can just do, you know what? I can just do tracking, right? And I just do, is this a valid syntax? Plus plus, I can increase is called game num first. I guess I have to give game num plus equals to 1. Oh, game num, okay, whoops. Convert this to int, I'll have to. Right, now we should be good. Oh, whoops, not the part. Whoops. Should not be here. It should be no, this is not game num, my bad. So this would be game. Let's just game let's call it game meta. So this will just be so it's game. So there's just text that we don't need. Game. Now we'll do a split on that. Cool. And game num should be an int. Alright, sweet. Now this should be good. No? Too many values to unpack. Expected to. Alright, I guess I have to do a strip too. It's probably because I did not strip it, right? Maybe not. Let's see. So game meta strip split, that's the problem. So let's print out game meta, because I saw that would just be card. Is there a way to split even there's, just ignore the, okay, wait. Python. How do I factor into the multiple split? Oh, reject split. I guess yeah. This is probably a good idea. Then this will become re dot split of passing the reject space plus and the game meta. Let's hope. Ah, okay. And this thing is not adding, huh? What is going on? Ah, wait, I forgot to add a winning count. $4114. Did I got it? Let's try on the sample input first. 18. Oh, that's not right, nah. Supposed to be 18, but no, supposed to be 30, but I got 18 instead. Let's see what could possibly be wrong. So I got a game num, right? Game num. If I see there's a win, I do have to increase that, bump that by 1. Okay. Winning count total should be winning count times number of copies. Ah, I see. Because for that, I also have to bump it by the number of copies because I won multiple copies. Ah, my bad. So that's not good. Alright, so is this supposed to be like this? So 4, because I want to in so for every time I have to loop this many times, right? So every time game number of +1, this will be plus the winning count. No, actually this will be plus the number of copies, right? Because they won like that many copies. So now this gives, oh, still 24. That's interesting. Okay, that doesn't make too much sense. Why is it still 24? Well, what's is a bug? I just didn't do this. Okay, first of all, this is redundant, is it? Yeah, what's the point of that at a time? Oh no, already have winning count. Did not realize that. I gotta see what can possibly be wrong. So I first get enough copies, right? I get a guess. That makes all make sense. This is just a tracking logic to see how much stuff I win. So if I win one card, right? If I win one card, that means the next thing will get +1. That's why the game +1 and the tracking should get those many extra copies. Interesting. That does seem to make sense to me. Winning count. Ha. Oh, why is it 24? You know what, let's print out tracking. I suspect that the memo is not right, so for 1 I got to 1 card, 2 I got 2 cards. 4 instances of card 3, yeah. 8 instances of card 4. 14 instances. Okay, this is actually correct. Very interesting. Okay, there must be some really dumb stuff that's going on here. Oh wait, do I have to? Bro, I have to. I'm done, bro. I have to add the total number of card too, so that would be. Bro, come on. See, I really cannot read. That's what happened yesterday too. I was like, just can't read. That's sad. All right. All right, let's go. Here we go. That was pretty trivial, I would say, but yeah, which I can read. Okay, let's see. Is there anything else we can improve on this? I think it's pretty. Let's see. Default dictionary. Yeah, I think that's pretty standard stuff. Like doing some splitting, get the game number, get the number of copies. I think this is pretty okay. Yeah, I think it's pretty readable. It is. It's not too bad. All right, let's commit this day for part 2. All right. Okay, I think what I'm gonna do is I'll just spin a wheel to see. I made a. Wait, not this one. Spin. All right, let me find it. It's time to decide what language to learn this time. For later. Let's see. All right, found it here. Let's see. One try. What language am I gonna use next? C. Should I do the resting C? Let's do this again. Lua? You know, I'll do it in Ocamo. I think I may just stick to Rust or something because I kind of want to learn that. And yeah, it may be good to learn some Rust. Golan, I kind of know Golan, so Closure, I did day 2 with Closure. I think that was fun. But anyways, I would do at least one problem in each language for element of code. But I think I kind of want to shift the focus to Rust a little bit, just to get more of a hang of it and see how that goes. But I'll try to do like one language at least. Try all of those languages for the AOC problems. Yeah, I think that'll be it for day 4. Have an assignment due tomorrow, which I did like 20% of that. But yeah, it's gonna be fun. Anyways, see ya tomorrow for more AOC content.